Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade options in Robinhood, a popular trading platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options. Trading options can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. But it requires a solid understanding of the basics. First, you need to understand what options are. An option is a contract that gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives you the right to buy an asset, while a put option gives you the right to sell an asset. To start trading options in Robinhood, you need to have an account and enable options trading. This involves answering a few questions about your trading experience and financial situation. Once you have enabled options trading, you can start browsing the options market. You can search for options by typing the name of the underlying asset, such as a stock or ETF, and then selecting the Options tab. When selecting an option, you need to consider several factors, including the strike price, expiration date, and premium. The premium is the price you pay for the option, and it is determined by the market. You also need to consider the type of option, whether it is a call or put, and the underlying asset. To buy an option, you simply need to click the buy button and confirm the transaction. To sell an option, you need to click the sell button and confirm the transaction. You can also close an option position by selling the option or exercising it if it is in the money. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the risks involved in trading options. Options can expire worthless, and you can lose the entire premium you paid. It is also important to have a strategy and stick to it. You should never risk more than you can afford to lose, and you should always set stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses. In conclusion, trading options in Robinhood can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. However, it requires a solid understanding of the basics and a well-thought-out strategy. Always do your research, set clear goals, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. With practice and patience, you can become a successful options trader in Robinhood.